Good day, I'm knowledge giver Sujit Kumar Dubey, and today's topic is the P50 value. As you know that this is also very necessary topics, that is P50 value. Then now we'll see the what is the P50 value of some terms, and after that we see the what is the graph can happen of the P50 values. Okay, so if we see the by P50 value of the HbA, hemoglobin of A, this means कि adult, HbA denotion of the hemoglobin A, and A stands for the adult. This means कि hemoglobin of the adult. This means HbA, its P50 value is 25 to 27 mm as the partial pressure of O2. Okay, and HbA2, A2 is the second type of hemoglobin in adult. Okay, its P50 value is 22 mm as the partial pressure of O2. You know good way that mm as is the unit. Okay, and HbF, F is stands for the fetus. You know good way, and HbF P50 value, that is the 18 mm as the partial pressure of O2. Okay, and myoglobin P50 value is 1.5 mm as the partial pressure of O2, and HbA P50 value is 0.5 mm as the partial pressure of CO, partial pressure of CO, carbon monoxide. Okay, HbA P50 value 0.5 mm as the partial pressure of CO, and 25 to 27 mm as the partial pressure of O2. Okay, next point is the start P50 value increases. Okay, then affinity of hemoglobin for O2 decreases. P50 value increases, affinity of hemoglobin for O2 decreases. Okay, P50 value increases, this means the affinity of hemoglobin for O2 decreases. Then what happens when hemoglobin concentration of hemoglobin, affinity of hemoglobin for O2 decreases? What happens? Then hemoglobin saturation decreases, because hemoglobin saturation is the binding of oxygen to hemoglobin. This is the hemoglobin saturation. When affinity of the hemoglobin for O2 decreases, then hemoglobin saturation also decreases, and ODC. Okay, ODC, this is the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, shift right from normal and vice versa. Okay, vice versa means P50 value decreases, means affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen increases and hemoglobin saturation increases. Okay, this is the vice versa. Okay, vice versa means this can happen opposite, also can happen opposite. So here this is the P50 value increases, then affinity of hemoglobin for O2 decreases, and hemoglobin saturation also decreases. Then ODC, oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, shift right from normal. Okay, this is the graph of ODC hemoglobin A, HbF, and myoglobin. Okay, then you know good way that in this maximum P50 value of hemoglobin A. Okay, this means कि P50 value increases, maximum P value in in one first, second, third. In third, maximum P50 value of the ODC of hemoglobin A 25 to 27 mm as the partial pressure of O2. Okay, so they shift right, and in both maximum P50 value of HbA, that is 18 mm Hg. So after that, this curve is the of HbA and myoglobin, that's P50 value is 1.5 mm Hg, partial pressure 4.2. So this is the curve of myoglobin. But if you take the example of a person and a partial pressure of CO2 in blood, okay, so a person, that's partial pressure of CO2 in blood, that is 40 mmHg, and second is the B person, that's partial pressure of CO2 in blood, that is 50 mmHg, and third person, that is C, that's partial pressure of CO2 in blood, that is 60 mmHg. Okay, for this is the example, and for this we will see the graph what happened. This is the graph in the composition of oxygen, but this is for the CO2. In this, which CO2 amount is greater, that is shift in the left side, and which P50 value is smaller, that shift right side, left side. Okay, left, right side. Which P50 value is maximum, that shift left side in CO2, and which P50 value is lower, that shift right side. Okay, we can see here, this is the maximum partial pressure of CO2 in blood is 60. So they shift left side. Okay, after that decreases, then shift right side. Maximum of C portion, so C graph. After that B portion, this is the B graph, ODC of B, and this is the lesser than the both, so this is the right side. Okay, by this way you can understand this, that in the oxygen, in P50 value, if you take off the oxygen, then maximum O2, then that shift right side, and maximum CO2, if we comparison of P50 value from the CO2 to maximum CO2, shift left side. Okay, and in oxygen maximum O2 shift right side. Okay, so you remember here this, that P50 value of hemoglobin A, hemoglobin A2, hemoglobin F, and myoglobin, and also of HbA, and this is the terms. Okay, and also you remember the graph of this. Okay, thank you. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भूल गए, यानी जिंदगी में लक्ष्य को पाना भूल गए।